Arong nali tumhan nilildak limita arong karkok dongklong di arong tu China ada nilitu molong sai ke tiki isialam lahalo ada sok se tiki sechot sinari tuman pachini bugenon arve yang Singapore ASDC APHLC pen ke kaprek sindola forces tuman karbiang West Karbiang pen di mahasau long mangatek song tuman pen Isalam HSDC non 24 plus peceng lok kaduwe ASDC APHLC pecelang lok nong si bang lopote lahai ahitian ke non papor ke barla por ke sok city ki chapte karbi tunge barok tum sinon ang claim lalo dal ma kiche tum Bangladesh pen East Bangladesh pranga pulop East Pakistan tu sipu Bangladesh panon pen ke Pakistan tum aron hot don pharu pira phoke rapho adon purong kut nat punas lo horong kut ke puna pen kiche so tum han umat nang ke dak lo manta kiche tum si sai na tiki lage nil tum marong lo la ke non nil tum marong nili pisar asupu laki bisi rong asar long le lo proti pepu APHLC long sido alang li long le lo asi bang kiche su atum sai de se sai ke tiki bhai lasi nili tunge adhi pida ditilo mante gopeng ke sukti zon pida ditilo stame an long lege thi tame bang tum sina claim dak hai long le long chiri spen ningkan silong morning ko yan bak longi ape nili tum bangge karbi teng mayo le claim da mon rok bak enon po ape na pat an bangge morning ko among ta mon kre thom mon kre ni ala tum si bija ditilo asila som situ si culture so ne mandel lo bang ke che so phan long le pi bang la si non li tum ki mat ha bangke banang li tumen ki mat harap pet danya bangge la no APHLC ASDC la pen ke non 24 plus punoi ASDC tum punoi HSDC tum punoi pen ke non even jakas Hills Tribal League pule punoi pen ke non 24 plus pule punoi tu chingrap pet pen jong si non sarkar jong si tu parjap un pulote MEC election tum chip bahai dek nang po sombong pen ilitum adak MLA election chip bahai nang po pen ke MP chip bahai nang po lason bolte karbiang long ni tum an la don ke sai ke tiki ke sok si tiki asila sok tiki chojok che ningkreng aporta litum ta mainland India tum pina claim tum musur punoi chikpis pusipupu bisaram hala chana punoi ason ningkreng aporta claim medu lahai ki claim pensi litum ningkan kang khimta lahai ahidi lahai long le ki joy padulong ni Kasi Amethang si pasong mo made claim that naing nili gamat hai ke kasi Karbiang long Thomas Council along is agriculture reform ke manji pulte la hello nili gamat hake. So this is Premson Bey and this is my birthplace. I have got to tell you something very true that once the real forces of the Karbiang long West Karbiang long and the Mahasau came into power with the merging of HSDC ASDC APHLC 24 plus organization, Jakas, CCU, even HTL. If we all come together to power at the Karbiang Thomas Council, and if we could send 5 legislative members to the Assam State Assembly and also to the lone parliamentarian to Delhi, we will reform the agricultural aspects. Because this land is a wasteland, not wasteland. We do cultivate only during the summer season. Only paddy we cultivate here, and the month stretching from November till March or February is always a wasteland. 6 months out of 1 year is always a wasteland. Therefore, Karbiang Autonomous Council, I cannot depend on them as of now because whoever comes to power, they don't rely much on agriculture reform. They don't even ponder what matter that agriculture is one of the most important aspects that need to be addressed apart from education, health aspects. So education, health aspects, and also agriculture, these 3 is very much important. Therefore, once we come into power, the coming together of ASDC, APHLC, and 24 plus organization